is Jojo with
Shruti, what's up, Joe?
What's up? आप
What's up,
ब्लू
what's
में
up?
बहुत खिल रही हैं.
Oh, thank you very much. मुझे लगा
Oh.
मेरा गला खराब है, so I'm like I'm blue in my gala, so which is why also I'm blue in my vibe. Sorry.
Neelkanth has
Yeah,
happened. So, no, we cancelled the recording 2 days ago because of her
I
gala.
know I was
You know?
quite sick. अगर मैं उस दिन बात करती ना, तो ऐसे aliens आ जाते because my आवाज 2 days back was literally like "Rah, rah, rah, rah." That's how my आवाज was. So like कुछ समझ नहीं आता. But Joe,
Good, I'm glad
before
you.
that, what is happening there? Like what has happened? Something you have cut bangs.
I know.
Dude,
I did.
I'm
So,
seeing you in bangs after centuries.
I know,
There
I
was a
know.
time when Joe was
They don't.
only like about bangs. When I used to live in Dubai with you, like when we were
Yeah,
flatmates,
yeah.
that's the time you had bangs.
I got
It
them
was
in
centuries.
Bombay before I went back to Dubai. Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
know.
Yeah.
Oh my God. But they're
So
looking good. I
it's.
like them.
Thank
But
you.
this is a new look, like with your like, curls and like bangs. I like
I know
it.
it is. It is. I used to keep my hair straight then when I had bangs. So for the
How
people.
bored were you on a scale of 1 to 10 कि suddenly खुद करा या किसी को जाके like करवाया? ये क्या है?
So
या is it a
ये
50-50?
it's a कहानी ये खुद करा पहले. I was like ये तो इतना आसान है, just chop. And then
इतना आसान भी नहीं है. Damn it, that's what you should have documented yourself
I
cutting your
don't
hair. This is like the most like COVID thing to do. Everybody was cutting bangs at that point.
I know I totally effed it up, and then I'm WhatsApping my hair. So I'm like, can you come tomorrow? Can you fix? I can't record like this.
Oh
So
God, such a cliche happened, but it's looking so good. I like it.
thank
I
you,
like it.
thank you. So
Yeah.
when I learned salsa, I was living in Bombay, and
Yeah.
that's when I got the bangs because they used to come in your eyes when you're spinning and you're dancing. So then that
Oh,
whole like 4 5 years, I kept bangs. People don't know this, but I've had them
correct.
for many years of
Correct.
my life, and it's after a very long time I'm returning to the look out
Haven't
of.
we all?
And
Bangs are such a vibe, yeah. We've
I
all
love
like had
them.
these
I
three,
feel
four,
like a
three, four
different
years.
person. Yeah.
You know?
Just feel
Yeah, I
like a
like it. I
different,
like it.
like fun person when you cut your bangs. I love it.
I
Anyway,
like it.
enough of my
Yeah.
hair. And Paresh Pahuja, the man in
Who is everywhere right now. He's just everywhere. And apparently, like 2 days back, he topped the charts. Like for the first time, he had, shared that story that
yeah,
number
on
one on charts for
Spotify.
the first time,
Yeah,
which is so
yeah.
good. Which is
Not
so good.
surprised. It's such a beautiful
Congratulations to him.
song. Duro
Yeah.
Duro is like, it's been my loop song of the month.
I have heard it so much. पहले से also
And
and then right now also कि I'm sick of it. अभी दूरो दूरो कहीं बजता है ना मेरे कान पक जाते हैं. I immediately have to shift. Then I will
now
go to
the
like
now the only solution
yeah.
is to hear it live.
Exactly. वो live सुन सकते हैं. Live is a different ball game
Yeah,
altogether. And
yeah,
he's such a performer, right?
yeah,
Because he's such a vibe. Like at least from what I've seen on social media,
yeah.
like while he's performing live, he's an entertainer. वो सिर्फ एक चीज नहीं करता. He's like he'll get the crowd going and he'll like do that whole thing, which is quite good. I think it's gonna
Yeah.
be super in like live in
Yeah.
person.
So that's the thing. Like the first thing I noticed when his song popped up on my YouTube, the Duro Duro live voice notes concert ka video, I was like, this,
हाँ
first of all, very nice thumbnail. So I have to give props to the
हाँ
thumbnail because it just instantly made me curious, like, ye
grab the
kya hai?
attention. हाँ
So I
हाँ
started watching it, and the first thing I noticed about him is how charming he is as a
yeah.
performer. That
I fully agree.
everyone does not have that kind of charm because I could see the reaction of the people in the crowd. Kudos to the camera man, and the way they've edited this and all his other
Yeah,
voice notes concert ke videos. You
correct.
can really see how into the performance of it the people are, the audiences.
Yeah,
So I was
yeah.
like, who is this guy? And I just suddenly got curious. I've never watched Bandish Bandit, so I don't know.
Oh,
So
he has a very small role, very powerful
you
role.
watched
He was
it?
fantastic. Of course, I've seen it, and it's one of those really good shows which, as a
Yeah.
music person, one has to watch it. Like
It's on
both
my watch
seasons.
list. It's
Yeah,
on.
it's very good. Like
Yeah.
I mean, I really enjoyed it. Like normally, like आजकल मेरे को my attention spans become such like nothing is able to hold my attention for that long. But that show 2 दिन में मैंने
Same.
खत्म कर दिया.
Oh
हाँ,
wow. I'm
so
gonna get to it
yeah,
very quickly.
yeah. And the
My
Garaj Baras man, oof, oof,
Moto you
and
told me about. Yeah.
fusion with like a with classical this thing and like a new age thing, that new age rock matlab, that's like it's the ultimate dream, right? You can't walk
Yeah.
away from that when you listen to
Yeah.
that, then you're hooked.
Yeah.
So that I mean, and he did even acting wise he did a really good job.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I'm
he
actually
was very
it's just a very interesting story to me how he's an actor and now he's always been a singer but not known for it, and now suddenly
hmm.
he's blowing up as a singer, and because of his acting skills
Via his
he's
acting.
also, yeah, and
I
he's
love it.
also, because of that, he has that added performer charmer
Yes.
charisma on stage.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
beautiful
correct,
package. It's such a
correct,
lovely story.
correct.
So, okay, enough talking. Let's listen to this song. ये मैंने पूरा गाना सुना नहीं है. इसकी I
Okay,
think 2-3 sentences clips में देख लिए होंगे, but I was very curious to check it out, and I was like, since you and I are together, let's,
let's go. Yeah.
Botala it's called.
Botla. See, Botla normally you always associate it with being a
Party
like a
song.
party number or like a little like crazy, whatever, you know. But let's see what this one is.
It says original. It says composed by Paresh, lyrics by Shiv Tandon, poetry by Paresh
Okay.
Vahuja, song name Botla. Okay, very nice, very nice.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay.
चलो, let's do it. Ready?
Let's go. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play.
तुम्हारी गैर हाजिरी अब खलती नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने चाय बनाना सीख लिया है। देखो, ठीक उतनी अदरक डाली है जितनी तुम डालती थी, इलायची भी ठीक उतनी, पर फिर भी वो स्वाद नहीं आ रहा। खैर छोड़ो, शायद चाय को भी तुम्हारी आदत हो गई है। बोतला में खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आके नशा और की। बोतला में खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आके नशा और की। ठोकरा मैं खाई फिर भी नहीं रुकिया, इश्क दा है मजा और की। ऐ गलती थी मेरी, मैं सुपना च मैं उड़ गया। दिल दा की दिल जानी, केड़ी गलियां च है मुड़ गया। तेरा तो पता ना कोई है ठिकाना, रब नू लभना नी मैं होर जी। बोतला मैं खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आगे नशा होर की। ठोकरा मैं खाई फिर भी नहीं रुकिया, इश्क दा है मजा होर की। उसते तस्वुर च दोनों जहां वेंदा तुरा जिस दी। उसते तस्वुर च दोनों जहां वेंदा तुरा जिस दी। पंछी उड़दा खुले आसमां, तू मंगदा वफा जिस दी। मिले ना कोई रास्ता, रुले मेरा इश्का। गलती थी मेरी कि तू आखिया मैं की सुन लिया। मर्जी भी थी मेरी, वे ख्याली मैं की चुन लिया। ये मैं समझावा माहिया दीवावा ने तरसती किसे और जी। बोतला मैं खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आगे नशा और की। ठोकरा मैं खाई फिर भी नहीं रुकिया, इश्क दा है मजा होर की।
That Ronu wala gana hai yaar. Like it's such a senti song.
So beautiful.
It's beautiful. And certain lines, actually all lines, but certain, like, the poetry is so beautiful that then certain lines come and they hit you. And they hit you, they make you smile, they make you go a little bit, like, khayalon mein chhod dete hain thoda sa. What a voice. He's got such a stunning voice.
Yeah.
Like, so the emotionality, itni koot ke bhari hui hai, that
Yeah.
emotion is coming out beautifully and perfectly in his voice. It's super.
It's like he's acting out the song, right? That's the way I can describe it. He's doing that not just with this, we've seen it with Duro Duro.
Yeah.
Shiv Tandon has written Tandon? Tandan. Tandan.
Tandon.
Has okay, Tandon. Shiv
Hmm.
Tandon has written the lyrics. Beautiful. That line, Thokra mein khai, fir bhi nahi thak. That line just got me. I was like, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Not on the
line थी ना
first.
ये वाली, that one के something के केड़ी राहा, and ये कहाँ मुड़ गया ये दिल, like it was such a like a जाना कहाँ था और कहाँ मुड़ गया, like
Yeah.
like there were just so many multiple meanings to, like multiple meaning to like different lines that were given. Very beautiful, and his voice adds that texture so much, right?
Yeah,
I so
yeah.
wish that he would put out more music. While I understand that for every artist and a artist who's doing such multiple things, it's difficult and सबका एक अपना pace होता है, but it's just that
But he's only just begun.
और अब ये, that's what I mean, but like
हाँ.
Duro Duro's been there for a while, so I'm saying कि ये कुछ गाने सुन के ना अभी like one wants to listen more to him, and like so I really wish that in very near future, I hope that he's working on an album which will like just come out, because like one is craving listening to his voice with more material of his,
Yeah, so I'm sure that will happen. But right now he's announced the day I was I telling you? Yeah, I think I was telling you or someone else ki I just need a Voice Notes concert now in my life. And that day he announced the Voice Notes concert tour. And Mumbai aa rahe hain, to we are just waiting for more info to buy the tickets. Yay, yay.
Yeah.
Oh, can't
Very
wait.
cool.
So that's happening. And I just want to say that in this kind of a live performance, first of all, performing live is not easy. And the kind of sound, that the way it's been captured, the mood has been captured. Again, I'm going to give props to the video crew of this entire concert series, because they have captured the mood in that room so beautifully for different lines, because every time they panned the camera to some audience member's face, or to his face, or even the camera angles, like there was this one moment where he's finished his line and he's just looking up, right? And he's like, he's not even acting, because he's so in the zone and he's feeling the song, and he's in the song, he's in the character of the song, of the singer, that he's living that story while he's singing it. So the angle of the camera from under was so beautiful. And then even the way the violin player, when she was doing her bit, and then the way they exchange looks and how they like showed that. So the final edit of it really takes us into that world. That's why I feel like even when I saw Duro Duro, it worked so well, because of how beautifully the story of these songs have been captured. And it's just a live performance. It's not like kuch video chal raha hai.
Set.
Yes, the lighting
and the way
and
that
the living room. Yeah,
exactly. That's the whole vibe of it, which is
beautiful.
I remember initially Duro Duro mein bhi ye same set, same jagah pe unhone I guess perform kiya tha.
Yeah.
That's what caught my attention. I was like, one, he's
So
just
different.
literally taken that we are just going to keep it ke hum living room mein baithe hain ikathe. I just happen to be on a stage, but the stage is also this, and we're just chilling together and jamming, and I'm just singing for you. And that vibe comes across 100%.
Exactly.
For sure.
And even with the spoken word bit that he started, he had the chai ka cup in his hand, and that whole, the setting of the scene where I'm trying to make the chai like you used to, but it still doesn't have the same taste. It set the scene for the rest of the song so well, so well. So even like wo prop late hi emotion change ho gaya,
Correct.
So it's just beautifully, everything is just beautifully, the art direction is so nice. And then there was one moment that I have to talk about where his lines finished, and he'd kind of flung the guitar to the back and he was singing that line, and then there was a whole like instrumentation going on, and then all the instruments stopped and he pulled the guitar in the front, and then he sang the rest of those two lines, which his voice and just the guitar. That bit was so like well done. It just grabbed you, the emotion of it and the moment of it, and and then when he finished, all the other instruments joined again, the drum started. So well done, so well done. I'm the art of putting on a live concert and a live show is a separate thing.
It's a fully different ball game altogether. And to be able to and the production value of it.
Yes.
You know, because it's live. ये एक second की बात है जिसमें ये हो जाता है. But to have those number of cameras actually strategically placed already. First of all, to have those number of cameras, you know, and then उसकी जो proper एक art direction चल रही है literally, वो एक second ball game है altogether. But all of it has been done really, really well. You know, the whole thing has come across. Yeah.
And the band members and the instrumentation, like the violin, Jerusha, Priscilla, Meera, backing vocals, acoustic guitar, Sam and Ronak, Aldridge on bass, Zayn on drums, and Ankesh on keys. The keys, man.
That's a big band.
That's a big band. And I have to give props to Paresh and the band and the whole team behind this, because ऐसे minutely crafted, you know, with so much attention to detail and sections of the song with the different instruments getting their time to play is not, you don't see it very often, you know. So beautiful, just beautiful. What a show. Can't wait to see it live, and a beautiful song. And what a voice, what a performer. Love it. Happy to have discovered him, and bus happy to have started our session today with this.
With that, yeah.
Beautiful Gana.
Correct.
So yeah.
And thank you. बोतलों को मतलब पूरा ऐसे 4 बोतल वोडका से निकाल के थोड़ा उसके अंदर प्यार डालने के लिए, like thank you.
Actual like, romance डाल दिया उनमें. Thank you so much.
मतलब
I think the bottles will be eternally grateful. You know. So lovely. I love that. Okay, I got distracted. Sorry, something popped up on screen. But yes, thank you guys for being with us through this listening session, and hopefully you will also be at the Voice Notes concert. हम तो बॉम्बे वाले में होंगे, so maybe we'll see you there. So yeah, on that note, take care of yourselves, live long and prosper.
Bye.
उतला मैं खाली कर कर थकिया, तेरे आगे नशा और की ठोकरा मैं खाई